Hey folks, it's been a long time. Welcome to Who's That Girl, where we do everything here synthetically fun. Okay, it's been a long time. How that song go? Long time. We shouldn't have left you with a dope. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Okay, something like that. I had to really go into my long-term memory for that one. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing. It's been a while. I sat down and talked to you guys. I've missed you so much. I've been doing voiceover after voiceover after voiceover. So I felt like it's time for me to sit down and chitty chat with you and chat chitty. You feel me? So we're going to get into this wig. We're going to unbox her. We're going to review her together. And at the end, I'll tell you how I feel about her. You know how we do. So let's go ahead and get to getting. Yeah, let's go. This is Miss Tegan. I got her from Outre Perfect Hairline. As you can see, she is gorgeous. Anyway, so this is what she looks like. Straight out the box. You know, she comes with the fluff and the fluff. Yeah, I haven't done this in such a long time. I really forgot like how to do a video like this. So let's look at the hair first and then I'll give you her details, okay? Looks like so. As you can see, she got curls all over. She got the humpty humps in there. I love these because you know that means the flip over is going to be epic. Has the two combs on the side, one in the back, an adjustable strap and an adjustable elastic band. Well, this is an adjustable elastic band and then the adjustable strap. She has a mesh inside, breathable as you can see, and I think she's a 13x6. So now we're gonna go ahead and get her details, okay? So again, she's from Outre. Her name is Miss Tayon. She's from the Perfect Hairline collection. She's a 13x6. She is fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal, ear-to-ear soft transparent lace, natural baby hairs, comes with pre-attached elastic band, ear, fast, easy, and effortless glueless install, pre-puck hairline, heat safe, friendly. Life isn't perfect, but the hair can be. Not to say your natural hair is not perfect, but damn it, I tell you, I slap on one of these wigs, transform me, Transformers. More than meets the eye. I got her in the color ash brown melt because this is like my favorite color blonde, and I'm just like, she's gonna look kiss on this head of mine. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and try her on. And I hope she's big head friendly. I feel like she might. Oh no, maybe not. Damn, Jana. It's the braids. She tight, and I mean, I know she's supposed to be tight because it's a glueless effort type of thing. But hold on, I'm trying to get her on without ripping her. She's tight. All right, so this is what she's look like. This is what she's giving in the front. She's definitely pre-plucked. Ear tabs, which correct, she does come ear to ear. I think I'm not feeling this. I'm gonna push through, but I feel like I'm not feeling this. This is the hair all the way in the But I did. She's coming off, girl. Oh. Who is she? Y'all see the material? Y'all see the material? You see what you're working with? First of all, I don't know. This color is giving off grayish. Maybe it's just me and the camera. I don't know. It's giving off grayish. Might just be too close. It might just be my lighting. I don't know. I'm trying something new. It's not really giving me that ash blonde that I like. God, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. She is. I have I haven't been this shocked. Okay? I haven't been this shocked since Bobby Boss Harina. Harina was that girl. I'm saying. Harina was that girl. But baby, the way this hair is flipping, flopping, and flopping, and flipping, and flip, and doing the damn thing, let's go about putting her all the way together. I'm gonna let you know how I feel about her at the end of this. And yeah. Because the beginning is already good. The beginning is good. But the end might even be better. So let me beat my face, put this hair on, and then do a little razzle-dazzle. Do a little razzle-dazzle. And get right back to y'all. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's get it together. I'm excited.
Now that I got my girl all the way together, Miss Tegan is definitely up there with Sensational's Letitia. She's up there with Outre Juliana. She's up there with Harina. She's up there with that Kinky 22 from Janet Collection. Like, she is up there. Baby, I love this wig, okay? You can definitely wear her glueless because she's tight enough. I got a little bit of shedding and she did not tangle, but she's synthetic, so she might tangle eventually. The color blend of this hair, amazing. Like, The camera does it no justice. Honestly, no justice. It's really beautiful. The texture, the style, the cut, everything about her. And baby, can we get a moment? One itty bitty moment, okay, for that flip over. Because once I did that, I was convinced that her, Tegan, was the one for me. And if I've always said, if you like one thing, buy multiples. And baby, I'm definitely going to grab her in the 11B. You already know how I feel about that. She's an absolutely gorgeous unit, and I would always dress her up and never down. You feel me? 10 10 10 across the board, baby. Listen, if you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can always get notified. Peace.